If you want to sell items you own on Roblox, or even resell limited and limited you items, here's how you can do it. Keep in mind that if you want to design and sell your own clothing or avatar accessories, you'll need to check out the avatar resources for that process. Reselling limited and limited you items, you can resell items you've purchased from Roblox or other creators, but there are specific requirements you need to meet first. Requirements to resell. Membership. You must have an active Roblox Premium membership. Item type. The item must be marked as either limited or limited you. How to identify when browsing the marketplace or checking an item's details page. Look for the limited or limited you tag icon under the item's image. How to list an item for sale. Go to the item's details page. Find the item you want to resell and go to its details page. Scroll to owned items. Under the price chart, find the owned items section. Select the item. If you own multiple copies of the item, select the specific one you want to sell. Click the Sell button. Next to the item, you'll see a Sell button. Click it. Set your price. Enter the price you want to sell the item for in the provided box. Click Sell Now. Once you're happy with the price, click Sell Now to list the item. Important note on holding periods. When you purchase a limited or limited you item, it will enter a holding period, which can last up to 30 days. During this time, the item cannot be resold. You'll have to wait until the holding period ends before you can list it for sale. That's it. Follow these steps, and you'll be able to resell limited and limited you items on Roblox.